Hi guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this really cool, easy to do kind of like smoky eye look. And first off, I'm starting off by priming my eyelids using the Smudge Perfecting Concealer in Soft Beige. And now I'm going in with the Milani eyeshadow, and this one is called Atlantis, and this is going to be like our first transitioning shade, and it's more like a light blue eyeshadow, and I'm just applying it just above my crease area. And then now I'm just grabbing the Milani Minerals Loose Makeup, and this one is actually a loose powder, and this one is in a shade called Tinted Radiance, and I'm just applying this to kind of like set that concealer a little bit, and also it's gonna actually help our eyeshadow blend in a little bit more better and bit more smoother. So now I'm grabbing the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow, and I'm going in with a dark blue eyeshadow called Dream It, and I'm just packing this just slightly beneath that Atlantis eyeshadow. And now once I'm done with that, I'm just grabbing the e.l.f. All Over Cover Stick, and basically I'm gonna be using this cover stick basically to cut my crease. As you can see, I'm just starting from the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm just gonna pull it all the way towards my outer corner. Once I'm happy with that, I'm just grabbing my other favorite eyeshadow palette, and this one is from Essence Cosmetic, and this one is from their collection of Royal Party, and I'm going in with that eyeshadow called Better Bling, and this is what I'm applying on that empty space. And now I'm just going back in with the same eyeshadow shades that we applied earlier, and I'm just applying them on the outer corner of my eye just so everything can look a bit more uniform and put together. And then now I'm just grabbing the Essence Super Precise eyeliner. Basically this is a liquid liner, and the reason I like this eyeliner is because it's going to give us a very precise wing liner, and it's very clean and neat, and it doesn't smudge. So once I'm done smoking out my lower lash line, I'm just quickly grabbing the LA Girl Primer Spray, and this one I love using it especially during the winter time because it actually makes my skin a bit more hydrated. And then on top of that, I'm going in with the MAC Matchmaster Foundation, and this is gonna be a foundation for today, and then just applying it with my Morphe foundation brush, making sure that I spread the foundation out evenly and blend it out smoothly. And then now I'm grabbing the Smudge Perfecting Concealer, and this is gonna be our basically concealer that we're gonna use to highlight on those areas that we want those features to stand out a little bit more. lash line, I'm just going back with those same eyeshadow shades as that we used to apply previously. And yo guys, I must tell you, working with a dark blue eyeshadow, any blue eyeshadow for that matter, is no joke. So you gotta practice and practice until you get it right. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm just going in with a little bit of powder, and this is what I'm using to set in those areas that I actually used a concealer previously to highlight. And so for contouring today, we're going in with the Milani Sunset Duo blush and bronzer, and this one is a number 2 Sunset Strip, and we're going in with a dark brown shade, which is like our bronzer basically, and this is what we're going to be using to contour. And then now I'm grabbing the LA Girl Blush Collection Glam, and basically I'm going in with 2 shades, and that's the dark pink as well as the brown on there, which is actually a bronzer, but this is what we're gonna mix these 2 together so it can a little bit dilute that pink a bit, so it doesn't look too harsh or screaming pink. And then I just decided to take a little bit of powder and basically try to shape up my face a little bit because it was looking a little bit no definition. So I decided to take the powder and try to define my cheek bones a little bit more. And then now I'm going back in and I'm blending out that powder. And then now I'm grabbing Essence, the highlighter, and this is what I'm using to highlight basically the tip of my nose and just the beginning of my bridge, as well as on my cupid's bow, and just a little bit of it on the apples of my cheeks. For setting, I'm just going in with the Essence Instant Matte setting spray, and basically I don't like applying setting sprays because I'm going nowhere, but in this occasion I decided to. And then I'm grabbing the LA Girl lip liner, and this one is in shade called Chocolate, and then on top of that I'm just gonna go in with the Calvin Klein lip gloss, and basically that will be it. And I certainly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Until next time, bye bye.